If you're watching this video, you are probably wondering, can you make $500 or $2,000 per day with affiliate marketing as a newbie, as someone who have no clue about traffic, about landing pages, about websites, and about traffic sources like Google ads, Facebook ads, solo ads, who is a total, let's say, beginner, right? If I could go back 5 years from today and go back, what I would do differently is, as you can see here on my screen, I just made $3,000, right? Or 2,900 euros with one system that I'm promoting. What I would do differently is I would choose a high ticket affiliate marketing system where there is already system built for me. So I don't have to stress about websites, lenders, right? Traffic sources. I can just focus on the system, and the system will deliver and support my customers and clients. So this way I can make money, energy and stress free, which is really, really important. You see, you can make great money, but if you don't have time, it doesn't matter, right? Because you cannot spend it, you cannot have freedom. So that is the whole point of affiliate marketing, having the time freedom, right? And location freedom. So what I would do differently is I would promote high ticket affiliate offer, like I'm going to show exactly right now on the screen. What am I actually promoting, right? Because if there is a niche, right, like make money online niche or business opportunity niche, it's a huge niche, especially during COVID. People are always looking to make money online. They're always looking for side hustles, for extra income, right? So if you have a great system that delivers with value, then you are obligated to promote it, right? Because you promote high quality offers and you're earning huge commissions per sale, right? So one of these systems, as you can see over here, is, let me show you, is secret system, right? It's a landing page, basically opt-in page that the company will give you, where you can promote the system that will enable you to build your email list, which is your asset, right? No one can take it away from you. Imagine this, you wake up in the morning, company gives you the email, the system gives you the emails, you send it out through autoresponders, and you collect sales at the end of the day. So this system paying you 100% commissions per sale. Now you can make up to $2,350 per sale with this system. And the beauty of the system is, if you're watching this video, right? The beauty of the system is that you can get money in the same day. You can get it on the Stripe, on PayPal, Bitcoin, wire transfer, doesn't matter, right? You're getting the money in the same day. So you don't have to, let's say you don't have to wait to get the money, right? You don't have to wait 2 weeks like with ClickBank or any other offers, platforms out there, or deal with refunds or stuff like that, right? And waste money on ads. Because with this system, as I'm going to show you, you can start as a beginner and you have a support. You have someone to guide you through step by step along the way. You have a support team. You have people just like you who are working together hand in hand. And most importantly, this system rewards you for helping someone else make money. So this is a great system to begin with so that you can generate huge commissions as a beginner. Let me show you how it works. Once you click the link below this video in the description and create your free account, you will be able to log in into your own personal back office. That's right, your own personal back office. You see, there are different packages, and on each package you earn 100% commission per sale. So for example, with Vertex Live, you get all the smaller ones included. So if you join for $2,500, you can earn up to $2,350 per sale. So basically, imagine this: how many sales do you need in order to make, let's say, $10,000 per month, right? Imagine this: if you have, let's say, let's do the math together, right? Because math is really important. If you have, let's say, 4 sales, right? 4 times 2,350, you are making $9,400 US with this system per month with only 4 sales. Now you don't have to deal and stress about ClickBank low ticket products, refunds, account shutdowns and stuff like that, because the beauty of the system is designed for newbies to help them to get started step by step with affiliate marketing, or let's say online marketing or digital marketing, to start having results online, right? So what you can do is, after you join this system, right, after you click on the link below this video, create your account, you can activate one of these packages, right? I would suggest you start with Vertex Live because you're getting the highest commissions. You can earn over $2,000 per sale. You get opt-in pages, like I show you over here, right? Opt-in pages, for example, yes, I do. And then you can put the person will put their email here, and then you click here to continue, and the autoresponder will send them emails automatically. So you don't have to write any emails. Your job is only to use this system, to join this system and follow the steps. So join the system by clicking the link below this video. You can reach out to me on social media, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, or email. Ask me any questions you want regarding the system, but the most important thing is you are earning 100% commissions. So if you get a sale tomorrow, you make your money back. Plus the next sale is your profit. So it's really great how it works once you understand, right? And once you start applying what I'm saying to you and showing you in this video, you see we have Marketing Hub, we have products, referrals, you have your packages, dashboard, you have training here, right? Your account. So everything is here. What you have to do is just click activate, join the system, and then you will get my awesome bonus, which is traffic, 500 clicks. So 250 clicks from the system and 250 clicks from me personally. So I'm going to show you, send you 500 people to go to your affiliate link, and if one of those people buy, you earn $2,000 or $2,500 US, right? So this is how the system works. If you have any more questions, just connect with me below this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips.